Hello, and thank you for joining us today. I am elated to have each one of you here for our lunch brunch. My name is Veronica Walters, and I am the CEO and the founder of the Smile Factory. The Smile Factory supports youth, parents, and families. I want you to know that we also provide support, motivation, inspiration, laughter, love, and empowerment. Welcome again to the Smile Factory's Lunch Brunch.
We are often asked, what is youth success coaching? Well, I want you to know that youth success coaching isn't totally new. It has mentorship, guidance, counseling, academic advising, and tutoring components. The Smile Factory's Youth Success Coaching Program was created for us by us. We support, motivate, inspire, laugh, love, and empower youth from all walks of life. From smart goal setting, checking up on grades, connecting with parents and teachers to strengthening the foundations of reading and math are just some of the things that we can look forward to when connecting with the Smile Factory. It takes a village to raise a kid. Allow us to be a part of your village.
Smile bright, dream big, unleashing youth potential together. Welcome to the Smile Factory.